trying to get some exercise, so I went for a walk, and this is where I ended up. And I'm hoping I don't fall in. Oh Jesus, I almost did. It's been a while since I've come down here. Excuse me. When it's really hot, and it's not now, as you can see, there's snow. But when it's really hot in the summertime, when it does get hot, if you sit, I'm going to try to do this without falling. And it's running pretty high right now. In the summer, it'll run a little bit lower. But you can get right down there on those rocks, and you sit right there, right next to the water, and oh, it's nice. A nice sound. You can't tell, it's way out that way, but the sun has actually got a pretty nice sunset, but we're not facing the right direction. And I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing. I gotta watch what I'm gonna do. See, I'm showing you, I got a step right now that's hard. I'm hugging the tree. See, so I'm good, don't worry. I won't fall in right now. I got one arm around the tree. Oak tree, you're not in my way. Anyways, enjoy the river sounds. I'm Rustic Guy, thanks for watching. It's a nice quiet evening. This is just part of what I do. Cheers.